Looking for a personal blender without spending a fortune? Well, I do all the research so you don't have to. Here are the 5 best personal blenders under $100, ranked. Coming in at number 5, it's the Nutribullet 11-piece blender, our best budget pick. It's the most reviewed personal blender on our list, with over 120,000 reviews, and it's a steal at just $34. The only downside is its smaller 250-watt motor. Next up at number 4, we have the nutribullet 600W personal blender, our most popular choice. This is the classic nutribullet, beloved by nearly 50,000 reviewers for its powerful motor that handles spinach and frozen fruit with ease. You can blend with simple push, twist, and blend functionality, all for just $49. At number 3, it's the Ninja NutriBlender Pro, our most powerful pick. This blender boasts a mighty 1100-watt motor and Auto IQ one-touch smoothie programs. It crushes ice to snow in seconds, making it a fantastic deal at $79. Our runner-up at number 2 is the nutribullet Pro Plus 1200W blender, which we've tagged as best for protein. It features a huge 1200-watt motor and a pulse function perfect for salsas and chunky textures, plus hands-free 60-second blending. It's the priciest pick at $99, but offers incredible value. And our top pick, at number 1, is the NinjaFit Personal Blender, our best overall. This is our highest-rated pick, boasting an impressive 4.7 stars from over 42,000 happy reviewers. You blend right in the to-go cup, and it's a fantastic value at just $69. So there you have it, our top 5 personal blenders under $100, with the NinjaFit taking our number 1 spot. Links to all 5 are in the description. Thanks for watching.